is never easy, but when it comes to weight loss, having some good information really makes the journey a whole lot easier. Use the tips, tricks and advice offered in this video to help you avoid some of the stumbling blocks that dieters inevitably face along the way. Share your goals. Tell your family, friends, and even your social media buddies about your fitness and weight loss goals. The more people you tell, the more accountable you will need to be to stick with the goals. With so many people watching and pulling for you, you'll be more likely to achieve your goals. A great weight loss tip that everyone should use is to get a hobby that you can do whenever you are bored. Boredom and restlessness often causes us to head to the kitchen even when we are not hungry. Avoid unneeded trips to the kitchen by keeping yourself occupied with other things. Don't be fooled that all chicken has less fat than other meat. It's not the animal that matters, it's where the meat comes from on that animal. Every animal has areas where it stores more fat, even chicken. Dark chicken meat contains more fat than beef rump roast or top round, and twice the fat of pork tenderloin. The best part of the chicken to eat is the breast meat with the skin removed. Even better, eat turkey breast, as it has fewer calories. One weight loss tip that people often overlook is to create realistic weight loss goals. If your goals are too ambitious or the time you have given yourself is too short, you are much more likely to abandon your efforts when you do not get the results you want. Juice, who doesn't like it? It's the sugary, delicious sweet part of the fruit. However, people interested in losing weight might want to cut out the juice. Although derived from natural fruits, most juices have no fiber and little to offer nutritionally in the way of vitamins, with the exception of the high levels of vitamin C found in orange juice. Tomato and beet juice fare somewhat better and are very low calorie to boot, but both are loaded with salt. So if you want to lose weight, either skip your morning juice in favor of morning tea or coffee, or choose one of the reduced-calorie, healthy choices juices now on the market. You'll still get that sweet tart taste without all the calories. All fats are not bad. You need fat to survive. There are good and bad fats though, and knowing which ones to eat and to avoid can help with making better diet choices. Try to avoid or minimize intake of saturated and trans fats. Try to eat more good fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. One way to help yourself lose weight is to eat sugar. Actually, what I really mean is to avoid sugar substitutes. Fake sugar can cause real cravings for sweet things, and too many of those can cause weight gain or just curb your weight loss. Some sugar substitutes can also have nasty side effects. So go ahead, eat your sugar, just do it in moderation. Set realistic goals on your way to your big goal. Slow and steady always wins the race. Set small goals that are easily obtainable. Losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks isn't possible without some serious risks to your health. The smaller the goal, the healthier as usually is, and having small successes more frequently is great motivation. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and use the information you learned here to start your weight loss journey armed and raring to go. Knowing is half the battle, and now that you know what you should and should not do, you are better equipped to get your weight under control once and for all. If you want to learn another way you can lose fat quickly with a simple morning habit, read the description below.